Stratu is an outsourcing partner in Denmark, and our aim is to come a little bit closer to the customer and ensure that they get the right kind of service and the right kind of solution for their everyday needs. I've been working with virtualization since 2003 or something like that. I've been working with VMware and Hyper-V, and what I experienced with the platform shift to Nutanix was that I had a much more cost-efficient way of delivering clouds to customers, as well as I have the 100% uptime. So in many ways it was easy for me to deliver business on top of Nutanix. Fewer man hours, less operation, and a smooth platform for delivering services to our customers.
In the greater Copenhagen area we have 3 data centers where all our Nutanix solutions are built. Our primary solutions are in Ballerup, and of course 2 different physical locations, and we have a 3rd data center in Tostrup. We have 2 primary services, and we have the Stratu Business Cloud, that is the normal hosting solution that we have, and then we have a Nutanix object storage solution that is very customer specific, and all this does Nutanix help us with to manage in the everyday work that we have. So Nutanix is for us very efficient in handling the different types of workloads.
I see our partnership with Nutanix evolving greatly over the next few years. We are a service partner today, as well as a private cloud vendor, and we are focusing a lot on that specific technology. Our hope and trust is that they keep ahead of the game. In my early experience, I had a lot of frustrating employees, a lot of downtime. We were paying penalties to angry customers. So basically, I had a lot of personal frustration with delivering services to my customers. And after the change to Nutanix, we experienced 100% uptime. We were able to maintain the platform in normal business hours, and we haven't seen or heard any issues from our customers since on the core deliverable of our business, which is private cloud.